Today in this video we are going to talk about how to make money with NFTs as a beginner in 2022. NFTs are the topic of conversation. Everyone, from large corporations and small enterprises to celebrities and average citizens, is gushing about them and preparing to join the race. The NFT market topped $12 billion in 2021, up from $162.4 million at the beginning of the year. Despite the fact that some are earning a fortune with NFTs, there are still plenty on the sidelines seeking to maximize their profits. If you are one of these individuals, this tutorial from AppyPie will teach you how to generate money with NFTs fast and effortlessly. Follow these 7 strategies to profit from NFTs. But before we move further, subscribe to our channel for further updates. Number 1. Create and sell NFTs. Creating and selling NFTs is the most straightforward and profitable way to earn money using these instruments. Yes, you may make and sell digital artworks, photographs, films, memes, properties, etc. as non-fungible tokens. All of your inventions may be monetized if you are creative by selling them as NFT. Using sites such as AppyPie, you may construct and sell your own NFT collection to generate revenue from your digital assets. You may also list your NFTs on other markets, such as OpenSea, Rarible, etc., for a little cost and therefore enhance your revenue. AppyPie's NFT generator enables you to generate outstanding NFTs or convert your current digital products into NFTs, which you can then sell at whatever price you want. Number 2. Trade NFTs. Trading NFTs is a clever and effective method of generating money quickly and effortlessly. You may earn a profit by purchasing an NFT collection and reselling it at a greater price. However, trading in NFTs is not a simple endeavor. The challenge is in selling them at the optimal moment, which relies on a variety of criteria such as the nature of the NFT, the reason for your purchase, and whether or not the item is of interest to others. These criteria may be rapidly determined via internet and marketplace research. Before you begin trading NFTs, you must remember that they are not all made equal. Some are worth millions of dollars, while others are essentially useless. As a result, as a trader, you must keep a careful watch on any future resale opportunities that have the potential to provide a profit. Number 3. Rent out NFTs. Renting NFTs is one of the finest methods to generate money from them. NFT creators and collectors can generate a substantial amount of passive income by renting out their collectibles. The intriguing aspect is that the NFTs can be used indefinitely without the need to create new ones. You can rent out your NFTs on any platform that allows users to borrow NFT cards, including video games. You can even rent or lend NFTs to others using platforms such as ReNFT. There is no need for concern, all the NFTs that you rent are governed by smart contracts. However, the owner of the NFT has the discretion to determine the duration of the rental agreement and the lease rate. Number 4. NFT gaming. Video games based on NFTs are a well-known means of earning money using NFTs. There are games that enable you to buy and exchange in-game products like NFTs, allowing you to make money. However, their number is currently restricted. With the recent popularity of non-game specific items, NFTs, there is little doubt that more and more games will soon support NFT trade. A second reason why in-game NFTs will increase in the future is because they are far more complex than basic digital trade cards or even interactive NFTs such as virtual pieces of art. Number 5. NFT royalties. Establishing a royalty on your NFTs is an excellent approach to secure a steady cash stream. Through NFT royalties, you may earn money every time your NFT changes hands on the secondary market, which means you will continue to get cash even after selling your works to collectors. If you put a 10% royalty on your NFTs, for instance, you will get 10% of the total selling price whenever your digital asset is transferred to a new owner. In addition, since the whole process is automated, you do not need to manually enforce your royalty conditions or follow payment. Set the royalty and earn each time your NFT is purchased. Number 6. Licensed collectibles. Turn actual items into non-fungible tokens, sell them, and begin generating money immediately. Yes, you may keep your physical collectibles as digital assets on the blockchain and sell them for the same or a greater price. Sports cards are the most popular licensed NFT collectibles to date. To capitalize on this, businesses are gradually incorporating their licensed collectibles into the NFT market. NBA is one of these businesses, having just launched its NFT card series. The moment is ideal to convert your actual treasures into NFTs and sell them, given the current trend. Number 7. Stake NFTs. Staking NFTs is an additional established method of generating money using NFTs. Staking NFTs involves depositing or locking away digital assets in a DeFi protocol smart contract in order to create a return. Staking is the technique of keeping digital works in the form of a stake and allocating them to individuals willing to maintain their maintenance in exchange for a portion of the reward for your NFT. You may utilize platforms like Kira Network, Splinterleads, Only One, and NFTX to stake and get passive revenue from NFTs. How to market NFT in 2022. NFTs store any digital asset, including property, securities, votes, and money, on the blockchain. Businesses and developers who want to use the blockchain for more than transactions can use them. To market an NFT, create a prototype. Use social media and online ads to promote your NFT. You must also build a community to support and grow your NFT. Selecting a great location and attracting buyers is sometimes the best way to sell a non-fungible token. You can share the effort to get people involved in NFTs on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or their newsfeed. Market drops and newsletters. The marketplace has drop pages where product information can be advertised to potential buyers and links back to the item listing page if one is for sale. A search function helps users find what they need. This video has provided you with a clear understanding of the steps required to earn money through NFT. You can earn money through the creation and sale of NFT. You can sell your NFT using the free online application. Now it is your turn to begin performing each of these tasks. Tell us if you are doing any of these things and how they are working out for you in the comments. Subscribe to our channel before leaving.